ntse re kopantse ditlhogo gona yaanong go boardroom. In conclusion guys, I khona lore acha ya komaleng he fetsa inkise magwafa lona a letlhape.
Hello Mzansi and the world, welcome to another special episode here on Mzansi's Funniest Videos. My name is Davis Mohomo. Please like, comment and share. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
Mfethu baby, uyacabanga ukuthi osipha bafike bathenga utshwala babo baphinde bathenga obethu. Hayi cha baby, bafuna manga bayaphila shemo osipha, hayi bayaphila. Asilokhanga nje siphuzana namasiminofu, siphuze nje i-rent dance yethu le ethandwa yimi nongqo. Hayi bayaphila shemo baby, hayi bayaphila. Hayi baphilile, kuphilwe kwaze kwasekuseni. Awusenkhohlwana ukubuza impilo, uyaphila kodwa.
Oh, usipha.
This is nice, ne?
Too much.
Ish, nice babe. Mina ngihambe manje.
Oh.
Yeah, I have to leave now.
Hey, plus very nice. Sesihleli isikhathi eside la eparking.
Yeah, ish, yes babe.
Sihambe ngekhabshi.
No, sekibithise Uber already. Iblanki. Sekibithise Uber. So no need.
Whoa, baby, i-Uber le.
Yeah, Uber, bye.
Ayi ukuthi ngiqala ukuyibona de.
No, like it's, it's levels. I'm an AI, yabo izinto ezinjalo.
Oh,
so
AI.
Yeah, I'm an AI, yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I think I'm gonna do now.
Sure.
Remember my knee. Remember my knee sore. No, it's okay.
Oh, yes.
Into kwenzakala.
My knee sore.
Uphole nethi ngikhaphe fast.
No, it's okay. Sengla. Fikile by the way. Next Sunday.
Nami ngiyakuthanda.
Sure.
I think usipha lo ya.
But at least uthe uyangithanda.
Oh.
Hi.
Uyamthanda akujitsele, uyamjitsela akuthande yo. Kobi.
So le batsadi ba lona ga bana tšhelete le tsang la tswa lo batla ba bang or le no tella ba shimane fela ke ra mma o papa wa dithuba ba wa sna tšhelete wa re ngwana mong yena itse kae
ene laptop ha o itlwaetse or o go tsona le yona ba o reketse yona o ga se ibuli wa lebella me movie go taxi ka ha tawai
Ntlhalosetse o reka byang magwenya kwa maguleng o sia ka isibete sa o tsena ko shopong ya makula o reke magwenya
My friend or Ragnar.
ene ba shimane ba ka lena le senya banyana ba ngwanyana o fiwa le rato o anya ka ntšhelete mo fe ngwana a tse ngwana a mongwadise sasa government e mo fe tšhelete a ke tsorela ntlhalohanya na lena le se fa ba tshedi tšhelete ke tšhelete ngele ba fang yona mara
O batla ikhote ngwana batho.
Hayi mina ngiyala bafethu. Hayi akekho umuntu oyoshaya umngane wami ngikhona.
Yeah.
Makaqala xabana nabantu mina ngiyavaya. Finish.
Ene majita hola di 40,000 30. Bana le di girlfriend the 11. But wa shiba ba di 3.5 le 4.5. Yes.
Ngabe uze ngani enkantolo?
Ngize ngemoto ngiphelezelwa umngane wami iND 1055.
Yeah.
Yini ekulethe enkantolo?
Kusenkantolo ngilethwe imoto iAudi kamngane wami.
Hey, what's your
Enkantolo
complaint?
nje kwenze njani?
Oh,
Sawubona unjani? Ngicela uzokumoshela isikhathi for 3 months ngikwenza isilima, ngenze ngathi ngiyakuthanda, ngingakuthandi. Kade lapho ngikhethe sihlukane ungiblock ugo. Inenzima lapho.
Mara ale mputsemo. Lena ba robala le sna head bottom. Mo marihing a makana. Le khona byang mara boshubo bo tlohemela concrete. Ale tswelelo ala mara. Yo.
Ubisi linesithombe senkomo. I-braai pack linesithombe
Senkukhu.
Owami umbuzo usamile. Ihlangana phi peanut butter nekati? Chap.
Asazi.
Matitjhere nyana ama greeter banana ngarna batswari ritlaela ne. Ngwana o kra byang level 7 ko mmetse a palla ke 2+2. 1 + 1. 2+2. 3. O fetsa ba re ngwana o krile level 7. O fetsa ka ba re she takes pride in her work and participates in all class activities. Maror 2+2 or 3. Rosbena skolo lena.
ene mfanaka akuthiphe relationship e we zamang eo le ngwanyana o sa bereking mara ana le iPhone le di wiki le Steve Madden a sa bereki iti kwena le Jesu ene wena o mo fetchelete
Guys, please tell me if I'm wrong. I was sitting here getting ready to see this guy, but now he cancelled on me because he asked me to come to my place, and I said, to my place, like, are you sure? He said yes. And then he's like, what's next? Should I bring you? He's gonna pass by the shop. So I said to him, please bring 5 kg rice, 2 kg chicken,
Snake,
Aromet 6 gun, and please also bring 500 milliliter of fish oil. Moto blocky, like he blocked me. I don't understand what is it that I said wrong.
Snack.
Actually, he's coming over, and that's the kind of snacks I eat. Like on top of that, I just had asked him also, please add 200 rand electricity. Now he doesn't want.
So
He says
electricity.
I gold digger. How is that? Is that not part of snacks?
Yes, it's not.
Oh, guys, like,
You are wrong.
and I really liked him. Wait.
Uzohlala unjalo.
Manje thini love language yakho?
Love language mina ngithi hey madoda siphakameni.
Ena zanga ba makala so batho ba go Steam Vatere ke ba botsore mokokoto wa tlhapiwa.
Asione bheka le. Utheni ma uthenga lo nto Macfist. Utheni wena ma uthenga? Ngitheni ngicela Macfist. Bangibuza bathi ufuna irugula noma ulathi noma ngathi ufuna irugula. Watshela ubani? Uthi kune regular. Irugula leni. Ma unawalithi bheka asione bheka le. Ibheka le. Macfist le. Ngidalse McDonald's tali booster khona. Yase McDonald's. Macfist le. Ayidliwa iona lento le. Iona idlu. Ayidliwa iona. Lethi ihlotha bawekho. Hayi indlala ibhokile lo. Una lihlala phuthu. What madoda abantu baphuma indlu iphuma yonke madoda for funeral iphuma yonke kuphuma cousin kuphuma ubhoti kuphuma usisi kuphuma umntwana kuphuma nalona ana 5 years naye ukuthi nje kodliwa amahanana lapha ama plate mawona bakhona umuntu makaphethe isente nyana la ucabanga ibhi madoda indlu izivalwe ivalwe sikhuluma ngendlu ivalwe like vali close ukuphumela amagundwana akhona nezinja ziphume
amagundwana
kore ke ho tswa ngwana o tswa nggono ho tswa cousin o tswa ntatamolo ho tswa ntwe kwalo kenye ketano ho kwalo le gate le dintja le dikatsi batho ba ka baka la go fela ho a finally motho wa re ipona ja di beetroot a ja di tomato sauce a ja bo mayonnaise ntota massive go a o ja di pumpkin kwa ho tswe go 10 members of the family ba fela di fuma ba sa batho ba ba le soro ba o tshidi ho ya dijo ba 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 sa palama le di bus motho a sa palama o sa campa mbola o campi la batho ba di ba se ba go o sa le di plate
Sale di plate.
Hayi tla ibokile hayi indlala ibokile madoda hawa funeral supposed to you supporting umakhelwane uyalapha nje ukusupport umakhelwane ukuthi emakhelwane ekuyabheda ngalana madoda phuma umuntu ukhipha nesuit yakhe leyo uyazi ukuthi lana umuntu uyigcoka emshadweni uyayikhipha omunye azathathe nemoto ayise car wash madoda awashe emoto ukuthi makabuya nje iplate and mawuza kanje uyishaya imoto ukuthi izwe nayo ukuthi yabona lo muntu olambile sikathi makafika iplate engakumadoda ayishaye ayuvithi wamadoda yabona lento lokudla la ema funeral that thing must end iende mayiphela madoda mayiphele abantu khona banisebenzisa ukudla angeke amadoda uzophuma umntwana mama gogo cousin sisomncane bhuti omncane nomalume yonke ijarity ivalwe for iplate nje beetroot necabbage lapha nepumpkin litapule ngathi bathanda namazamba ngoba yaba hayi madoda hayi yamadoda zamani yenzani something madoda ukuthi ube nomali uthenga ukudla endlini madoda manje ngathi senisa indlala kusana ukuthi umuntu uhambe isindlala efuneral anisayisi ukuthi manje nododula ngiduze next lisa dlala bathu mntu hayi yo wena if funeral ingaba khona madoda singapheki kusho ukuthi angeke nize manje angeke nize uniphume madoda uphume usho ukuthi ifamily yakho behamba ngetrip kanti baya lapha yabafuna ukudlala
bavale indlu
akona trip next bafuna ukonyofa ngababuya bahluthi bayazi ukuthi hey iSunday course siyitholile bawodla kusasa mara struggle la indaba zabantu ukuthi ubani wenzani ubani uwile ubani hey indaba zabantu struggle indaba zabantu struggle mara ngale phuma namakati madoda nezinja hawa uthi apanya lapha nasena me is not me akaba bit awabitsa why umuntu ewana ngathi u represent ifamily manje seniyani indlala nama cousin hawa so
now I know dijo tsa mokete they are not counted, so you serve the community. See you in the next upload. Take care, Azish.
It's better when you you've got a job, you are working, but the salary is so small. It's better. It's better. It's better. You are working. You wake up in the morning and you have to work. But money is too little. It's better. It's better. You. Boyfriend you've got a boyfriend. If you send a WhatsApp text, he blue-ticks you. He doesn't respond. But the boyfriend is saying, it's better. It's better. It's better. It's better. It's better. Boyfriend. You've got a boyfriend. You've got a boyfriend. He can receive the message. He doesn't send you airtime. He doesn't call you. But the boyfriend is there. He is also an Adventist. It's better. It's better. It's better. It's better. It's better.